Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video today I will be reviewing for you for the first time a hand mask by, if I'm going to pronounce this correctly, Messbebe or Messbebe. This product is available on Amazon. It was sent to me for a review. So as you can see, this is how it comes packaged in this nice box, and it has 3 pairs. So there are 3 pairs in here for you to use. And well, it says favor, but I believe they meant to say flavor. The main ingredient in this particular mask, let me show you over here, is a milk extract right there. Here is the list of the rest of the ingredients. It's got milk extract and then some water. But yes, so this is going to be my first time trying something like this, not just for review, but in my lifetime, believe it or not. Now, I do take really good care of my hands with cuticle oils and creams. I've never done a mask. So, to be honest, I don't know what much of a difference to expect and to show you, but we will see. I will do a demonstration. Here you can see on the back it has instructions on how to use it. You leave it on for 20 minutes. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're going to open it together. Right here it says leave it on for 20 minutes, and it shows you some photos on more or less of what to expect as far as results. But like I said, with me, you know, not to brag, but I believe my hands, and I'm now in Florida, which is pretty, yeah, very humid, so I don't suffer much from dry skin on my hands. But here it is. Let me go ahead and open this so we can see what's inside. Okay, so I have broken the seal, and it does say, it does recommend to use 2 to 3 times a week. I believe it will depend on how rough your skin is. So, oh, I see. So they come individually packaged. That's nice. Here's the 3 of them with this foil. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of them, guys. And like I said, so I'm gonna keep I'm gonna wear these and keep them on for 20 minutes, and then, so just to give you a close-up look of my hands, here they are. All I have on my nails is just a clear gel base for protection. I removed what I had before. I have not applied any lotion. This is just my hands washed, no lotion, no cuticle oil. Let's go ahead. I know, hopefully nothing will spill out of here as I open it. Oh, that's pretty easy to open without any scissors. And I will have a discount code, guys, that as of right now, as I'm recording this video, I don't have the code available, but do check the description bar below for that, okay? So you can get a discount on these hand masks. They also have the feet mask. They have the mask to put around your feet, and the discount is for you to get this from Amazon. So here they are. These are the gloves, and it says open right here. Let's see, let me keep, like I said, this is my first time doing any kind of masks like this. And I might have to denote that, oh, I see, okay, so they're attached. Now this is open. I believe this is open here. So they're attached together. There you can see how they come. And I'm curious about how far I'm going to get with this before I can push the button on the camera to get you guys off and I can apply these. But, so it's looking like I'm going to have to get some scissors to open this. There was no, I don't see any other instructions inside. Let me see here. I mean, it says on how to, it says clean hands and then put them into your hands, wait 20 minutes and then remove. But no instructions on how to get this open. So let's get the scissors. And I'm going to cut right along this seam right here. Hopefully they'll be open so I can insert my hands. What is this right here? It says open. Maybe this is just to, again, I'm taking a guess here, guys. This is the first time I use this. Oh, I see. Okay, so I might have to, I'm still wondering at what point how much I'm going to show you before I'm going to need my hands to turn the camera off. Okay, so I have opened this, and yes, I see some liquid in there. Let's see if the other one is still completely sealed, so I'm gonna have to cut a little down. I'm guessing this, okay, I see, so this little tab right here, so you can wrap them, taking out, I guess here, so you can wrap them around your wrist and keep them nice and tight there. That was easier. Okay, so I'm just going to do the one on my right hand. There's the, oh, so there's this plastic on the outside, and it feels like some sort of like paper on the inside. Don't put, this is not for your thumb. That's just a tab. And I should have some paper towels. Ooh, that feels really good. This is so you can wrap it around your wrist. And keep it on for 20 minutes. So I'm trying to do this for myself. I don't know that I'll be able to do this on my other hand once I have this hand wrapped up. Let's put it around here. This might not be fully necessary, but it might help. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to put the other one, I don't know if let's see if I can put this on camera. Shouldn't be very difficult. Oh, you know what? Shoot, why didn't I think about taking my watch off first? Shoot, let me do that. I'm going to have to take a pause. Okay, here I am back, guys. Took my watch off. I don't know why I didn't think about doing that. Maybe because I thought I was just gonna do my right hand. But I have wrapped this around. Now I'm gonna keep this on for 20 minutes. It's now 20 minutes to noon. And then I'll be back and we'll see how good my hands look. I'll see you then. Alright guys, so I am back. It's been 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and run the water and start removing my gloves on here over my sink so I can wash my hands. And then I might go ahead and fast forward through some of this. This has a very nice feel, guys. Very soft, very subtle, and it has a very sweet, milky scent to it too. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off first with water before I wash with soap. Or I don't know that I will not use any soap. I'll probably just rinse it off and leave it because it doesn't have any, it doesn't feel like it has any residue. So I'm just going to rinse this off with water. Okay guys, so here's a close-up of my hands after having done the mask. Very nice. I did want to mention it again, just as I mentioned when I was running the water. It's very subtle. It had a very good nice soft feel to it, and the scent, it smelled very I don't know, like sweet milk is what it smelled like. Very nice. So, and easy to rinse off. I didn't use any soap or anything. So this is it. I do like it. Available on Amazon, and if you're interested, I will have a coupon available for this, or a discount code, so do check that out. If you have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. So this concludes my review. I would like to thank Messbebe for sending me this nice product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.